Students, hope you are fine with the grace of the Almighty God. So, students, as we have already completed chapter 6 from the history part, and our topic of the chapter is the early states. So, today I'll be giving you the question answers, match the following true and false, state the following answer the following in the brief, answer the following in the detail. So, let's start. I will read the question and I'll be uploading in this video in the YouTube. So let's begin. So on your screen you can see, okay, on your screen you can see the question answers. So for the first one, A number, fill in the blanks. There are 16 Mahajanapadas that spread across the northern India. The Magadhan capital, Rajgriha, was surrounded by 5 hills. The prominent Mahajanapadas included Kosala, Matsya, Vatsa, and Magadha. 4 number, Buddhist text Anguttara Nikaya mentions the 16 Mahajanapadas. Then number 5, Bimbasara belonged to the Hiranyaka dynasty and ruled Magadha. Then come to match the following. Okay, then in the match the following, the Magadha will become the C number, that is Rajgriha. Then Avanti will become the E number, okay, Ujjain. Then Gandhara will be D number, okay, that is Taxila. Then Vatsa will become the Kosambi, okay, that is Kosambi it will be. Then Anga will be the Vaishali. Then Vaji will be, sorry, the Anga will be the Champa, and the Vaji will be the Vaji will be the Vaishali. So I'll be erasing it and you can see it in the clearly then. Okay, so Vaji will be Vaishali, Anga will be the Champa. Next we will see with the C number that state whether the following statements are true or false. Iron plowshares increased the agriculture production, that is true. Okay, so this is over. Then punched mark coins were made of stones that were polished, that is false. No, dice was made that time. Okay, Vaji followed a monarchical form of government. Yes, it is false. Okay, the answer will be false. The Lichachavis were conquered by Magadha. That is true. The monarchical form of the Mahajanapada's kinship was hereditary. That is true. Then next we will go with the question answers. D number, you can see what was in Mahajanapadas. Tribes earlier, okay, I'll do it large for you. Tribes earlier known as Janas. As these Janas grew in size and power, they came to be known as Janapadas or foothold of a tribe. The larger Janapadas were called the Mahajanapadas. Name the 4 Mahajanapadas that rose to prominence in the 6th century. Kosala, Vatsa, Avanti, and Magadha were the 4 Mahajanapadas that rose to the prominence in the 6th century. Which part of the agriculture produce was to be deposited as tax? 1/6 part of the agriculture produce was to be deposited as a tax. What was the difference between the political system of the Magadha and that of Vaji? There was monarchy in the Magadha, whereas Vaji was a republic. Okay, out of the 16 Mahajanapadas, the Magadha was the South Bihar who developed as a powerful kingdom. The Magadha administration was distributed into judicial, executive, and military functions. What do you understand by an urban center? Give one example of the urban center. Many towns and the cities became centers that specialized in different crafts and occupations such as weaving, pottery, and chariot making. Then, many towns and the cities were denoted as urban centers. Champa was an example of urban center. Then here we come with the E number of chapter 6. How did iron manage to revolutionize the agriculture in the 6th century? With the help of these sturdy tools, STURDY, sturdy tools, forests were cleared for cultivation. The use of the iron tools like plowshares simplified cultivations and led to the surplus production. Surplus production provides, that is surplus production is provided, DED is there, surplus production is provided impetus to trade, leading to the growth of the towns and the cities. Number 2 we will go, name the four Janapadas, name the four Mahajanapadas that rose to the prominence in the 6th century. The four Mahajanapadas that rose to the prominence in the 6th century are Magadha, Gandhara, Kashi, and Panchala. Then we will go with the number 3. Briefly discuss the Bimbasara and Ajatashatru contribution to the Magadha becoming a supreme power. Okay, we will discuss about it. So you can see the answer is very long. Okay, so for your reference, this answer I have given though, but in the future I will not give in the examination. Okay, because the answer is very long, but just you need to understand it, no need to learn it. Okay, rest of the answer you need to learn by heart, but this answer is not required to learn. I have given it though. Okay, so Bimbasara established his capital at Rajgriha. He was firm in administrative matters and did not tolerate inefficiency and corruption. He expanded his kingdom through the conquest and matrimonial alliances. Bimbasara was also known to be a devout Buddhist. Okay, he was praying to the Lord Buddha. Bimbasara was succeeded by his son Ajatashatru, who ruled Magadha after his father's death till 462 BCE. Through his military expedition, he further strengthened the Magadha's position among the 16 Mahajanapadas. Ajatashatru, through his conquest, not only became, okay, I am in this line, the master of the northern and the eastern India, but also the consolidated the Magadhan Empire. Like his father, Ajatashatru was also a great administrator and was well known for his military innovations. Bimbasara and Ajatashatru also built cities, towns, roads, and bridges. Differentiate between the monarchy and a republican political setup. The republics or Ganasanghas were ruled by an elected chief who was the head of the Ganasangha and was answerable to the council that was also elected by the people of the Ganasangha. The republics were democratic in character and were the opposite of the monarchies where kingship was hereditary. The kingship was considered divine and powerful and took all the decisions. The republics and the monarchies were constantly at war. Okay, so this is the last one, is the number 5 here. Okay, why was the capital of cities of Mahajanapadas fortified? The capital of cities of the Mahajanapadas were fortified to make it difficult for the enemies to attack the cities. So students, I have explained you all the answers. So now, okay, I hope that you will write the question answers in your copy. After writing over, okay, I may ask you to send the photos in the WhatsApp. So students, till then that, take care, thank you, bye bye, and best of luck for your future examination. I hope that you are studying well.